Yeah, so this is how our parents cook that delicious stew for us in the past before modernization took over the kitchen. So they just add some onions into their hot oil and just allow it to, fry for like 1 or 2 minutes. And then they add their pepper mixture. This is tomatoes, tatashe, atarodo, and onions. And then they just add their Maggi, we call it Maggi then, but okay, seasoning cubes now. And then some table salt will be added to it. And that's it. They don't add all those our extra thyme, curry, paprika. So today I was just having the crave for this simple stew. And then they just cover the pot, allow it to fry for about 15 minutes depending on the quantity of your soup. And it's it. And at this point they can add their preferred protein. Like now I'm using fried chicken. They can add their fish, whatever they want to add to it, and they allow this one to cook for another 5 minutes. And trust me, man, this soup tastes, I don't want to use the word that it tastes fresher and nicer than those ones that we had, those sort of things. It tastes so nice, and you can eat it with anything that you want. Like now I'm eating this one with nicely prepared white rice, and it went so well. My boys enjoyed it. Thank you for watching. Bye.